Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A38 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Phone locked, try again in 29 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds like this. Press and hold it. And release. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Now select language. So you can see it will send you in recovery. Now here you can see format data, tap on format data. So you can see please enter verification code 1034, enter it 1034, and you can see all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. Here you can see wiping, please wait. So as you can see data formatted, now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, use Google account instead to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A38 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.